Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. You have to start by open Settings. Then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, click the settings icon or information icon near to your earbuds. And right here I have spatial audio. Now, if you have iPhone, you cannot find this feature in the settings. Generally, you cannot find this feature. And not all Android phones have this feature, so you may have not. Now, to enable it, you need to tap on time at this slider near to it, if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap on time at this slider. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!